Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to free up storage space on your iPhone 17 Air. So if you're running out of storage on your iPhone 17 Pro, do not worry because there are several smart ways to free up some storage without losing important data. So the very first thing that I would recommend you doing is of course checking your iPhone storage. So open settings and you have to scroll down to general and now go to iPhone storage. So this is the page where you can see how much space you have left and which applications are using the most storage. Also, you have to offload unused applications by enabling this option right here. And this will automatically remove applications that you do not use, which will free up some space, while at the same time it will keep their data of those applications on your iCloud if you want to re-download those applications later. And also delete unused applications, so manually go to some kind of app and press delete application. So if you no longer need some kind of application, you can do that, and this will of course free up your space. Then with the storage, everything is clear, and now let's talk about photos and videos. Go to settings and you want to scroll all the way down to apps section, and from this list go to photos. So first of all, you have to turn on iCloud photos, and then you should select optimize iPhone storage, because if you enable this, it will keep full resolution photos in your iCloud and lower resolution versions on your device. So that's also a nice feature to turn on. And you have to delete recently deleted photos. So go to your Photos application and at the bottom go to Collections section. Now you want to scroll down until you reach Utilities section right here and open Recently Deleted Album. And here you can review all photos and videos that you have deleted, and you have to delete them all. So tap Select button. I think you can tap this, yes, you can tap this three-dot button right here and select Delete All and confirm by tapping Delete from all devices. Okay, so this action will permanently delete all the photos from this recently deleted album, and you will no longer be able to access them. Okay, so next is that you have to clear browser and media data. So in settings, in applications section, you want to go to Safari and here find option. If you scroll down, you should see option that says clear history and website data. You want to tap here, and basically to clear history, first of all you have to set time frame. So select all history and you have to press clear history button and then wait a little bit until it's deleted. So this will delete all, downloads, cache, history and all the website data. Yes, and what else? I would recommend you to check in different applications like podcasts, Spotify, Netflix, whatever application that supports downloaded content. And you have to remove alt playlists, movies or episodes because they can significantly free up a lot of storage. And yeah, also you can go to Files application, for example, and delete unneeded files. Also tap this three-dot button, tap Select, and you can select them all and use this trash bin icon to delete them all at once. And also go to, for example, voice memos. Also you can delete all recordings from here. So check different applications and check if there is unneeded data. So yeah, that were the main points on how you can free up storage on your iPhone 17 Air, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.